Hey everybody, welcome back to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen. Actually, Jen is away for the minute. She's making other videos, but I kind of wanted to go over some fun things. We're doing ChatGPT hacks, some fun stuff to do with ChatGPT, so it's not always so serious. The lighter side of AI and ChatGPT. So this can be done in ChatGPT 4 or 3. Obviously 3 is the free version. 4 is the one that we pay monthly. And just so you know, it's $20 a month, but you're limited to 40 messages within the 3 hour span. So you can't go crazy asking it questions. Hopefully they're changing that in ChatGPT 5. And there's a leak that 6 is already around the corner. It's moving way fast, guys. So, kind of just want to do a quick little fun thing here. Some stuff, what you could do in ChatGPT and how to ask it. So, let's say you're a guitar enthusiast and you want to learn how to play. So, please teach me how to play the guitar. Oops. Here we go. Oh, bastard. Well, that's what happens after I say that. So now look how it says after chapter through after 1:30. So let's just go back to ChatGPT 3, the normal one. And actually, here you go. Now it'll tell me how to play the guitar, tune the guitar, kind of goes over everything, how to do it. So, yeah, that's fine. That's just, I can't use it anymore. That's okay. Yeah, practice regularly. So now what we want to do is please show me hand placement. So there you go. It gives you a complete breakdown of how your hand and fingers are supposed to be on that. Yep, hand relaxation. Okay, so hand coordination, everything. So that's cool. And then you want to say thank you, obviously, right? Then it's going to say you're welcome if you have any more questions. So now the next thing I want to know is, please teach me Spanish. So there you go. Here it goes. Here's the whole course. Learning Spanish can be a rewarding experience. Then it has build vocabulary, kind of taught, so it starts going through there. So we're gonna do a Spanish to English, or English to Spanish. Oops. Okay, English to Spanish. Translation. So please, we want me to translate. So happy to help. So let's just throw in here this right here. Let's see, what's this right here? Let's go Control copy. I just grab something. So now I hit that in there. See what it says now. There you go. Voy a mostrarte algunos consejos y trucos. So it kind of does explain exactly what that is. Just obviously in Spanish, and that's pretty cool, man. So now you can probably do it in any language, huh? So please tell me it in I don't know, German. Let's see what it says. There you go. I don't know German, but I kind of just want to show you some quick little stuff that it could do, some fun stuff in here, so it's not always so serious, So, like I did in another video, you can also ask questions like medical. Let's see. I'd like to gain 10 pounds of muscle. Yeah, let's see, pounds of muscle. Let's see. 10 pounds of muscle. What else do we want to say? Kind of want to be a little bit specific with this one. And lose, let's see, lose 5 pounds, obviously, of fat, right? Yeah, let me do this really quick. Switch this, please. I was trying to find out what did I do here. Fat. Okay. So now let me detailed. Please be detailed. All right. Whoops. I hit logs. All right. So here we go. Access your current state. Let's see. Set realistic goals. So kind of gives you a quick little coaching if you want to use them as coach. So that's pretty cool. I like this. I like how it dips in rest and recovery, cardiovascular exercises. Then you can actually dip into here like this. Okay, grab that guy, hit here, go down here, and say expand or explain the following. The following. That's what. In more detail. Boom. So now did that sentence there in more detailed. All right, perfect. So I was waiting for this to go. So here you go, man. Track your progress, rest. I mean, this is amazing stuff, guys. So there's a bunch of stuff you could do with this. Don't be afraid of it. Come join us in our school. It's a free community where we have like-minded people gathered together talking about ChatGPT and AI. Don't want you to be afraid of it. I want you to embrace this, you guys. This will make a huge difference in your life and in your business. If we could save you time, okay, an hour, 2 hours, why not? So come join us in our school. Click on that link while we dive in deeper and show you exactly how this works. We've got some bots. We got some surprises for you. Also, smash that like button. Thanks again for following. Thanks again for hanging out with me. You guys have a good one. We'll chat again.